Did you know that if you have toxins in your colon, it could be the cause of constipation and diarrhea and many other health problems? This is why it is very crucial to have a colon cleanse done, that will help get rid of all the toxins from your bacteria. After you perform a colon cleanse, you will notice that you feel energized and have much better digestion. According to a study, a healthy person should have 2 or 3 bowel movements daily. The food we eat, if it's not digested properly, causes the food to move very slowly through your system and can get stuck in the intestines, leading to rancid stools that release toxins into the bloodstream. This is why it's important to do a colon cleanse, which reduces the chance of colorectal cancer and irritable bowel syndrome, constipation, chronic diarrhea. It is recommended that the consumption of enough food at meals has a way to stimulate the stretch receptors in the stomach. This causes the intestines to move chunks of waste. When stools are moving properly, your intestines can get eliminated quicker without causing any problems. Here we will present to you the healthy recipe, which will help you with your colon cleanse. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, 1 cup of apple juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a cup of pure water, half a teaspoon of sea salt. Instructions: boil the water, and then pour it into a mug. Add the salt and stir until it dissolves. Next, pour the apple, ginger, and lemon juice, and stir once again. Drink this remedy on an empty stomach in the morning, before your breakfast. It is rich in minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants, and it will strengthen the immune system, prevent infections, and detoxify the system. You will soon start feeling energized, with your health improving.